Marvick is being unfair, or we pick on the JFF too much? No, sir. Not like that. What we do is analyze the issues as they arise and let the chips fall where they may. And we said all that to say, this latest saga now, with the JFF having declared the Premier League season null and void, only to see the high school principals at ISA making extensive and elaborate preparations for the amateur schoolboy football season to begin. This is a well-cooked recipe for some more embarrassment for the JFF. The fact of the matter is that ISA is better able to set a framework or even a possible start of the football league because they are better organized and better funded through better sponsorship compared to the Premier Football League in the country and the national governing body. Right now, the Premier League remains in an organizational and financial limbo. And this only happens in Jamaican football, where the tail continues to wag the dog. The amateur league is set to kick off, while the top flight is cancelled. There is even a tentative date of the end of October set for the start of the morning under the Costa Cup. As for the Premier League, all we're hearing is whispers. What is that? What is that? I can't hear what it said. I don't understand.